Hello everyone! Welcome to Boracay! We stayed at La Carmela de Boracay Hotel. I'm gonna show you our room. Okay, let's start! Well, La Carmela de Boracay Hotel is an excellent location. It's really in a beachfront station too. Boracay is also a very good place to staycation. So let's start! Welcome to our room. This is our room. One room with 3 beds. Look at here. And this is the new building here. La Carmela de Boracay. Welcome. Here we are together with my son, John Michael. Look at this. Very nice. And we have phone. Telephone. Here you are. Praise God. They also have a Bible here. Nice. And of course, no smoking. Walang magsusmoke. We have our own safety locker here. And then hanger of private refrigerator. Ayan. Very nice. And of course, our door lock is this one. Yes, we cannot take it off because the light is also turning off. Ayan. Let's enjoy staying here. This is their bathroom. And look at this free soap and shampoo. They also have hair dryer. And this is their sink and shower. Take shower now. There's free of tea and then the coffee, as well as mask too. They have, it's only free, and then they're giving alcohol as well. Okay, Carmela. Yeah, it's very nice and comfortable room. Hi. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Oo, masuhot lang ko.